London Captain! London Captain! London Captain! London Captain!
Why did they run now? What is happening?
Okay. I said let me just do a little exercise.
Exercise? This
yes.
afternoon.
Oh, wait. Oh, you mean you people are not ready yet?
Ready for what?
Hey! You are not ready. You see it. You see it. They say that the day where Christ will come, he will come like a thief. And that the only people that will follow him are people that are ready. Everybody is getting ready. Everybody. Did you see my workers? Did you see my guards?
No.
I sent them home to go and start packing. We are leaving for London immediately.
Hey.
Yes! Queen Elizabeth just sent an emergency aircraft to come to this village at Amocha. Everybody is assembling at Amocha now. Bam! Pack your things. Pack your belongings. Everything that you want to travel to London with. I start coming to Amocha right away because the flight will soon land and all of us will soon vanish. You understand me?
Okay,
so run along.
Go.
Go.
Hey.
Why are you behaving like a man? Huh?
Hey! No, this can't be true now. Leave me alone.
What is it?
I'm telling you that my dream has, in fact, my world has come crashing down.
How?
All my dream about going to London is crashed. Leave me.
How?
Leave
Now
me.
tell me how.
Leave me, let me talk.
Nkechi, I still don't understand what you're saying. I'm confused.
My husband. Do you know what will happen? Angelina is not who we think she is.
Huh?
Hey!
What are you saying?
You still don't understand?
Yes.
I said the Angelina that all the villagers has been going to pay homage to, licking her feet, praying that the favor she promised her that she will fulfill it. She is not the real Angelina living in London. Do you understand it now? This particular Angelina has never crossed the shores of this country in her entire miserable life. Do you get it now? Hey!
Huh?
She is fake! The real Angelina living in London, as I'm talking to you now, is here in her house with her mother. What do you mean?
Are you sure?
My husband, you don't understand how I feel now. If you're doubting me, you go and see for yourself.
You're sneaking it. What is it? Who is after you?
The London visa is after me.
Where are your boys?
Mama, there is trouble. Assume there is trouble. Mama, there is good news. Forget about my boys. The message getting to me from London, I was asked to come and get ready. I sent my boys home to start preparing because they said our departure is in 3 days.
And you didn't deem it fit to tell your mother first? Eh?
I was going to tell you because already I know you are ready already. From the day it was announced, There is no need telling you on time. I want it to be a surprise to you. You don't trust your son.
Okay, came here. He brought 2 names. So I registered them. He gave me 100,000. I kept the money.
Oh, that must be the money Queen Elizabeth told me this morning about. That somebody is bringing 100,000 to the house. Because your name, the names of those people appeared in the computer over there in London. And I was asked that somebody among us collected 100K. Well, we'll go, no wonder. The computer was showing more than that's only more than Mom saw
mother. I kept it myself. I kept it well. How can they know all the way from London that somebody gave me money? Is it because I told
Mama,
you?
they mounted 5G plus in this house. Whatever we do here is registered in London. People pass here and Dutch town here. Mama, we na ganya shege do agro Queen Elizabeth lega take you in London. And what did he mean gazurezo? Mgbe na no nga hotel ka mgboto na London na ahum elebola hamanya. So please, if you know it, you keep that.
No. You are not relaxed. What is it?
I was relaxed. Not until what happened now just happened. In fact, Mama, there's no need lying to you because you are my mother. I need to Mama, we are in trouble. All of us in this house, both everybody in this community, we are in trouble.
God forbid, I'm not in trouble.
Mama, there is no London. Somehow, Angelina deceived all of us. Angelina had been lying to us that she came back from London.
Tell me you are lying.
Mama, how can I be lying with a sensitive matter like this? Mama, Madam Tinted and her daughter flew in from London to this village. Getting to her house, the truth about Angela and where she came back from was revealed. Mama, Angela Pupula wig, Yopa.
Is it?
There was no London. Angela has been in Lagos all this while that she left this village. Madam Tinted opened a boutique for her to manage for her in Lagos, Oja Alaba International, precisely Okoko Maiko Nkete. This girl Shilo, Benganeri office. She claimed she was dining and eating with Queen Elizabeth. Perhaps nothing like that happened. She has been in Alaba International. Even the car she came back with is Madam Tinted parked car in Lagos. Mama, we need to start thinking of what to do. We need to leave this village immediately because if those my boys or these villagers, those who've collected their money, come in here and see us. If they catches us or if they catch up with us, hey.
What are you going to do now? What will you do? You are in trouble.
Yes, what will I do or what are we going to do?
You now, you are in trouble.
How can you say I'm in trouble? Mama, if there is any trouble here, you, I, everybody in this community is in trouble. Don't just say I am in trouble alone.
Okay, what do we do? What do we do?
The youths. If my guards could come here and get me with all the punishment I have given to them,
So what do we do now?
Mama, asking too much question will not help us. I am packing my things to leave.
Yeah. Who are you here? You want police to arrest me? Eh?
How do you mean?
You want to leave me here and run away? How?
I want to. If you so desire to save your life, go and pack your things. Let's leave this house.
No. I can't even leave my husband's house. You know, the only way I will follow you now is you carrying my husband's house along. How can I leave my husband's house and follow
So
you?
husband's house is more better than your life. Make come up and gamer. After all this, you are still where you are. Leave me here.
You are not doing anything. We're living here.
Thunder we go, fire will be at Ada. They somewhere they steal.
If they do leg work.
Chai, my money, my heart and money. The only thing where my papa established for me, say make I use and they manage. Now this guy go make me sell, carry money give him. Eh? Hi.
No be that one they vex me. You know say I don't dream, I don't dey picture am how I go enter England, go Chelsea, my football club. Another one wey vex me pass. Now see, I won't see whether I go from there. See woman who I go marry.
See now.
See wetin Obiadada do me.
All our plan.
Obiadada must not go scot-free. Oh. I will never leave Obiadada. Wait, I dey come.
You
I'm
get any plan? Wetin we go fit do
I'm
that
coming.
guy?
I'm coming.
Wait, where you wan go? Wetin you wan do? Hi. Hi. Wetin you wan do?
Chimo. What? Wait. You mean Angelique Coco is not what she said she is?
No, you heard me right. That girl is a fraud. She is fake.
Hey! Hey! Why now? Eh? Why now? Not have prepared for the trip.
Everybody prepared for the trip now. Everybody prepared.
What am I going to do? Not even that I'm pregnant. Yes.
Did I hear you right?
Yes.
You mean you're also pregnant for him? Ah!
I kept it to myself because when I get to England, I will put to bed so that my baby will become citizen of England.
Hey!
See England. Hey!
Chimo! Hey! You don't enter one chance. Hey! Obiadada has finished us. Eh? Me, I'm also pregnant for him.
Eh?
Gosh. Hey! Ne, that one enter. Oh. Eh? If I had known that everything is fraud, I wouldn't have left it. I wouldn't have let him touch me now. Hey! Ah. What are we going to do?
Don't touch me.
Hey.
Ah! Oh, I'll kill you.
Forgive me, please. Please, my people, I beg you to forgive me. It wasn't my fault. It wasn't my fault. I was deceived too. Please, do not kill me because I beg you. I'm a London captain.
I be London captain, your visa dey my hand. I said I am London captain, visa full my hand. Whatever you want to, lay my hand in here. Whatever you want to, lay my hand in here. Oh. I be London captain, there's no two ways about it. whether you like it or not, oh, Captain be your guy. All right, thank you very much. This is Chief Imo and his crew. We beg all of you to keep subscribing to our channel, Chief Imo Comedy on YouTube. As you do that, God will bless you. God will bless you. Hip, hip, hip. Hooray! We love you all.